Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when no sound plays after you connect your speaker with the phone. Firstly, I recommend you to restart your audio player application. Maybe the problem in this application. So let's say you listen to music in SoundCloud. Firstly, remove this application from the application list and then open it again. Also, I recommend it to go to the App Store or Play Store and check if you have the latest version for your audio player application and update if you haven't. Next step is to check if your speaker have the latest software version. Open JBL Portable application. Your speaker should be turned on and connected with your phone. After that, the application opens for you the speaker menu, and you need to scroll down, click at the product information at the bottom, and right here we have software line. Tap at this line. If nothing happens, you have the latest software version. If you haven't, it will open for you another menu, and at the bottom you'll find the button Install. You need to click at this button and you will update your software version. Next step is to restart your phone. I use the speaker with the phone, so I should restart the phone. If you use it with a tablet, restart your tablet. And if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform the factory reset. To perform the factory reset, on the front side on your speaker we have play pause button and volume up button. You need to press and hold them simultaneously for at least 2 seconds. 1, 2, now you can release your fingers. And then we should reconnect the speaker with the phone. Firstly, let's turn on it, press one time at the power button at the top. We turn on the speaker and the speaker enters to blink mode. We know it by tone prompt, and also that Bluetooth button starts blinking white. Then go to the settings, Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your speaker. Then click forget this device button, or you may have forget device button or forget button or unpair or remove. And forget device. And you will remove the speaker from your phone. Without it, if you try to reconnect the speaker, on iOS it will ask you to remove it, on Android it will show you connection trouble. After you remove your speaker, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have refresh button like on Realme, tap at this button. And then you will see your speaker at the device list. Tap on it, and we just reconnect the speaker. If you want to also reconnect the speaker with the app, open JBL Portable app and then wait a bit. And now, as you can see, it automatically reconnects with the app. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!